So I think the main problem that kind of bothers me from last night is that when I turn the AC or heat, um, the flow on AC, the flow only goes from this opening on the AC itself. So it was locked. I was not sure where the air is going, the cold air going out. I checked the ducts here or this one or in the bedroom, and there was no cold air. They basically was silent. And it's supposed to come as a standard already pre-ducted from AC. Same applies for furnace, but let's see how it works. So we go on the mode, you turn to 66 high, I think the speed of the vent. So it turns on. As you can see, yeah, so there's a flow from here. If I close it completely, okay, so there's no flow, there is no air going from this duct, okay, it's not even bended, so there's no cold air going from here, no cold air going from this one, no cold air going from this one. I mean, I think it's a probably manufacturer defect, and it has to be. I think the unit has to go back, or repaired somewhere locally here. But this is, I think it's unacceptable from Avalon guys, even to send unit like that. It's just completely. Yeah, I don't want to use bad words. Just not. So it's not working. Okay, I think this is the furnace. So yeah, obviously there's no airflow from here, and okay, let's go and check. So now I'm gonna turn off and go to furnace. Okay, you'll see the next video.